Okay guys, it's the ARS 300 from SkyWing. You can get it at ExtremeFlight, 67-inch airplane. We are using a 6S5000 from Spektrum and an AR637 with a 5070 mini servos. Get down, guys. Plenty of power from the DualSky motor. Plane is beautiful in the air. Flies good, looks good. Nice and red on a spring day. Sweet little tumbler. See how she hovers. Hovers pretty good. Bugs Bunny flying that bad boy. It flies like a slick and an extra at the same time. It's weird. Get it over here. Really windy right now. The wind's swirling. Come on, baby. Come over here. Gets really flat in a flat spin. It's got a huge elevator. That is compared to the rudder. See how it knife edges? Oh yeah. The other way. Oh yeah. She rotates good. SkyWing does a good job. And Tim over there at ExtremeFlight has got these in stock. The Spektrum servos are in stock. Worth every penny. The radio's in stock. NX10 SE. Great little airplane. All right, coming in for a landing. Running the Avion 100 speed controller. Great option for this airplane. I'm on 6S 5000. 18 by 10 propeller. All right. There it is, very efficient, great little airplane. Good size too, you can get it in your car still, and it's big enough to fly and have fun. Great.